Hi everyone, I am from Regrob.com and today in this video we'll give you the actual view of Godrej Avenue's project which is located in Yelahanka, Bangalore. So we are giving you the view of connecting road. And this is the view of project from main road. This project is spread over 5.73 acres of land and it offers 1, 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So this we have entered into the living area. And here you can see the dining hall. And now we are moving towards the kitchen area. So this is the view of kitchen. Here you can see the separate utility area. Over there you can see an attached balcony with the living room. And now we have entered into the bedroom area. So this is the first bedroom of this flat. The spacious bedroom, skillfully designed. Here is the common washroom. And now we are moving towards the master bedroom. So here you can take the view of the master bedroom with laminated wooden flooring. And this is the balcony area. From here you can take the outside view of the society. Here is the dressing area. And here comes an attached washroom. So this we have given you the interior view of a 2 BHK sample flat. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.